Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the concept of networks in your advanced networks. Okay, so what is network? Network is nothing but a set of devices which are said to be connected to each other. Okay, it may be through any of the links which is being connected from one end to another end, or it may be one end to multiple ends, which is called as the nodes. Okay, so node is nothing but a set of computers, or it may be the printers or any other enabled devices which are being connected to each other. That is said to be your links or the nodes. Okay, in this section we also will be discussing about the network criterions, the physical structure, network models, and the categories of network that we will be discussing. So what do you mean by this network criterion is there are three types of network criteria. One is said to be of performance, reliability, and security. Performance is nothing but whatever information which is being conveyed, but that information is said to be like 100%, 50%, 20%. How is the working of that network? That is said to be your performance, one of the criteria. Then you have reliability. It's nothing but whether you are said to be reliable on the network, whether it is said to be giving a good performance or not, whether if it is said to be giving a performance which is said to be 50/80. When you are said to be reliable, it should give a good performance also. And security is nothing but whether your data which is being sent from one end to another end, whether it is secured or not, that it is said to be present in the third criterion. Okay, all these three criteria are being considered in the network. Okay, when you consider in the connection of network or the physical structure of a network, the types of connections which are being divided is of two types. One is point to point, another one is multi point. Okay, point to point is nothing but one station to another station the connection happens, whereas the multi point is nothing but from one station you are said to be getting connected to multiple other stations. For example, a cable TV network, through a dish it is said to be getting connected to multiple networks at a time. Same way, when you are said to be considering any of the systems in your lab, only one main server to which multiple systems are being connected, that is said to be your network. Okay, so there are two types, one is point to point, another one is multiple. Okay, so next, in the categories of topology, when you consider a topology, topology is nothing but a connection, a geometric connection which is being maintained in different sectors. Okay, so topology, there are four types. You can say mesh topology, you have the mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, and ring topology. There are four types of topologies. So first one, when you consider a mesh topology, when a station is said to be getting connected, it is dedicated having only 2 points which are being connected to each other. You can see here you have dedicated only one system is connected to either two systems only, not multiple systems, but that system is connected to only 2 points. That is said to be your mesh topology. Okay, whereas a star topology, in star topology it is said to be having one central hub to which multiple systems are being connected. The main disadvantage in star topology is if a hub fails, then it is not able to get connected to multiple systems at a time. So all the systems may get disturbed when a network fails. Okay, so bus topology, here it is nothing but here the information is being flowing from one end to multiple ends. That is said to be your bus topology, where it is said to be getting connected to multiple systems and the information flows through this drop lines. So I can send the information not only to one system, I can send the data to multiple systems, and the data reaches to the other end only when this tap is said to be open. If the tap is closed, means the information doesn't flow in the network. Okay, this is said to be your bus topology. Okay, then when you consider another type, which is said to be a ring topology, where information flows in the ring form. You can check out here how the information flows is in the ring format from one end to another end. It will be flowing the information to multiple stations at a time. Okay, but the main drawback here is it cannot flow reverse back. That is the drawback in ring topology. For that reason, a dual ring is being considered, where it flows the information in both the ways. Okay, here a simple ring topology, one way information travels, but in a dual ring capacity it can flow in both the ways. This is said to be your ring topology. Okay, when you consider a hybrid topology is nothing but in a single network you have multiple networks topologies. Okay, you have a hub here to which you are said to be getting connected to multiple other systems, and these systems may be using the bus topology, and here you have the star topology. So the combination of two topologies or the combination of multiple topologies is called as the hybrid topology. Okay, so here also you have one kind of topology where you have isolated LAN. In that LAN it may be following different types of topologies. Bus, here you have the star topology. So as we said, it has multiple connections. Okay, here also you have a connection where you use the concept of switched concept, where it switches to multiple other sectors. Okay, so this is the things which you have learned today. Like, what do you mean by this? From the beginning, let's check out what we have learned in this session. Okay, in this session you are said to be learned in the network is said to be, what is network that you have learned? It consists of multiple links to which multiple devices are being connected, and what are the criteria that we have learned, that is performance, security and reliability. Then you have learned about the type of connections which are being used. One is point to point and multi point. And then you have learned about the categories of topology is nothing but geometric arrangement of your links, whereas it has four types, that is mesh, star, bus and ring topology. This is the diagram of mesh. Then you have the hub, like star topology, then you have bus topology, then you have ring topology. And hybrid is nothing but combination of multiple topology. That part you have learned today in this session, which already we have dealt in the data communication part. So in advanced network also you have the basic things which you have to learn. Okay, thank you.